Oh, wait, no, we gotta do the whole thing then. Okay, you ready, Amelia? Here are my hands for catching and throwing. Where are your hands? Show me your hands. Very good. Here are my feet for stopping and going. Where are your feet? Those your feet. Here's my head. Where's your head, Amelia? Very good for thinking and knowing. Here's my nose. Where's your nose? Show me. Nose. Nose right there for smelling and blowing. Here's my eyes. Yes, very good. Your eyes right there. There's your eyes. For seeing and hearing. Here's your ears. Where's your ears, Amelia? Where are your ears? Oh, we need to, okay. Where are your ears, Amelia? You want to walk for Daddy? You want to stand up and walk? Okay. Okay, go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
Can you put it a little bit closer to me?
Yeah. Here, go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy. No, I don't want to do it.